How to enable on-screen keyboard on laptop and PC. So in this case, I am using a laptop. So let's begin. So first thing you need to do is you have to go ahead on your search bar and type in settings. So next thing you need to do, once you're here on this page, you will be welcomed with a series of options here. So home system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, gaming and accessibility, privacy and security, and Windows Update. So for you to find the on-screen keyboard, so you just have to click on the accessibility option. So once you're here, you just have to scroll a little bit and you will be welcome with another series of options. So in this interaction section, so you may want to click on the keyboard option right here. So after that, you just have to toggle the button. So you just have to find the on-screen keyboard right here under the on-screen keyboard, access keys, and print screen. So you just have to toggle this on since it's off. So you just have, and there you have it. So you can also do so you can also do press the Windows logo key as a shortcut. So the Windows plus Control O, and then turn on the screen keyboard on or off. So you could also do this option, or you just have to click on the keyboard, these shortcuts right here below the option. So you will be able to successfully enable your on-screen keyboard on your laptop. So let's see that, let's test that. And there you have it. So that's how to enable on-screen keyboard on laptop and PC. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.